Today we're doing a Popin cooking ice cream thing, and I'm with
Izzy.
Alright. Alright, open it.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay.
Did you see the movie? It's so cute.
I know that I'm gonna cry so hard.
I didn't cry because I'm a robot, right?
Yep.
Yeah. There's literally like a group of like...
I cried in the trailer.
No, there's literally like
Oh wait. You're not supposed to like ruin this, right?
do you need scissors? Do you have your bad pair of scissors again?
I have my good pair of scissors.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They're yellow.
Oh, okay.
Here, wait, let me get them.
Literally the whole row in front of us was like all middle schoolers. They were all crying with tissues. With some cones and wafers and a little like cup thing. I don't know what this is.
I think that's the strawberry.
Some frosting, a piping bag, some sprinkles. I was just kidding. I don't know what this is, but
I think this is the vanilla and this is the strawberry.
oh, yeah, you're right.
Okay.
Okay.
Should I get water?
Wait, you need scissors too.
I got scissors.
Yeah, you need water. Here, fill this with water.
Wait,
Oh,
don't we need to do a couple
yeah, okay. Oh, these are good scissors.
Oh yeah. Yeah, wait, so this is
What are these dots for?
I think like this.
Right. Oh gosh. Go like that.
Oh snap!
You're amazing.
Okay. Wait. So I think wait.
This one's actually so simple to do. Okay.
Well, we're simple people.
Looks like cookie. Shh, don't tell anyone. Okay, so this is the strawberry and this is this. Wait,
Strawberry and vanilla.
yeah. And you're just going to want to put one scoopful
More?
I don't know,
Okay.
of the water in each one. Oh my god, you got powder on me. There's powder everywhere.
This is like one full thing.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Perfect.
Next thing. Oh, if you came to my house,
Alright,
you could have had
first
macaroons.
Macarons?
Yeah, I just call it macaroons because it's
easier.
has a better name.
Ring. Yeah.
Name.
Yeah, I didn't know it was called
ring.
macarons. For a really
Wait,
long
but you
time.
like coconut, so that means you like macaroons,
Oh.
right?
I guess. Oh my god, this
Or
looks
I
delicious.
think you can just say French macaroons too.
Oh.
I don't know.
Wait, which ones are the ones with coconuts?
Macaroons.
And then the macarons are without?
They're different.
Oh.
No, macaroons are like the coconut cookies.
Oh. Oh, that makes so much sense. Chocolate and vanilla.
No, it's not chocolate.
No, but that's from Orange is the New Black. Chocolate
I
and
don't have
vanilla.
Netflix.
Swirl.
Go talk to Angela about that.
We already have.
Okay.
Alright. Here's a nice tip. Ready? First you do the vanilla and then the strawberry so you don't get pink.
Oh
in
my
your
god,
white.
you are so smart. Or it could just be a lighter pink.
Shh. No fun. Hear that?
Okay, hurry up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Alright, so this is... Alright, that's what you do.
Closer. Bam.
BAM!
Okay, now.
On one side you
Yeah.
put the... Wait, it's gonna be so messy.
Gotta be neat.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, so there's this little piping bag with like half. So you gotta put half strawberry and half vanilla. Okay. Oh god. Wait.
Oh, I'm so scared. Oh gosh. Okay, that's not too bad, right?
No. Here we go.
See, it's now like a little bit of pink in there.
It's okay. They will forgive you, or you'll forgive yourself.
I will never forgive myself.
Look how cute this is.
Wait, first take down the like white so it comes out even, right? Show it to them.
Bam!
BAM!
Cut off the tip.
Do you know how to pipe?
Yeah, I'm the master.
I know. Piper.
Okay, show them that it fits in it.
Oh. It fits.
Cute. This is cute. Oh, and there's sprinkles too, yo.
Y'all.
Yo.
Oh, nope, they couldn't see anything. Okay.
Aw.
Oh, the ice cream might have been a fail.
Maybe I can make a little smiley face.
No, bro, putting the other one on top of it.
Oh, too bad. Oh. That'll be the mouth. Bam.
What are you doing?
No! Smiley face now? Or... Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is the ice cream. Not sure if you guys are able to see it before, but yeah, I didn't do it well, so don't make fun of me. And
Oh my god! Perfect.
oh, that looks amazing. Oh.
Oh, that was you. Because you just texted me. Oh god. Okay. Just eat it.
Ice cream.
Are you supposed to lick it? It's literally like all sugar.
I know you like it.
I love sugar. I really like how it looks though.
I don't like it. It sort of tastes weird.
No.
I don't like it.
Okay.
The frosting tastes really weird. I don't like it. I don't like it. It doesn't taste like frosting. It tastes really weird.
It tastes like water sugar.
You mean sugar water?
Yeah. I like it.
Alright, she's gonna finish that and then we're going to film another video. So, bye!
Here we go! Wait, aren't they gonna hear the like... I know. Ah. It's really
That's
loud. Oh. Tato, czy możesz ciszyć?
Co?